The Stimpod 450 from Zavant and Bell Medical is an objective train of 4 monitor and nerve stimulator. The Stimpod 450 basically powers on by pressing the power on button, and initially it comes up with 0 milliamps. So to adjust the milliamps, you spin the control wheel, it asks you to press enter to tell it that you want to change it, and you go right back to the wheel again, and while it's flashing it allows you to make an adjustments. So in this case we'll go to 30 milliamps. It automatically comes up in train of 4. This is the milliamps that I have set, and over here will be the reading of what is actually delivered. It is a constant current nerve stimulator, so it'll make adjustments as the electrodes dry up and things. To press train of 4 or to make it go, you press the enter button or the go button. That displayed 4 distinct waveforms and gave me a reading of 88%. I'll do it again in a second. Just to show a repeat of that, I'll press go, and now I get 111%, which makes sense because I have no neuromuscular blocking agent on board. So the monitor automatically comes up in train of 4 mode. You adjust the milliamps that you want by spinning the wheel, pressing enter, and then going back to the wheel right away, and then you press the play key, which basically gives you your train of 4. It uses a 3-dimensional accelerometer that's easy to place on the thumb or the foot, and then you tighten it down. You connect your electrodes with a black electrode closest to the appendage that you're going to be stimulating, in this case the ulnar nerve, to stimulate the thumb. It is an objective monitor versus a subjective monitor. In the past, people have used subjective monitors. They visualize the train of 4 and make a judgment based on that visualization. With the Stimpod 450, you actually get an objective reading. You will get a specific ratio or a specific percentage. So if the patient is completely anesthetized, you'll get 0 of 4, 2 of 4. To simulate that, I'm going to adjust the milliamps significantly lower, and then I won't move my thumb. So now we're down to just 5 milliamps. I'll press play, and I won't move my thumb but 1 time, or 2 times, and I get a ratio of 2 to 4. If I wouldn't have moved my thumb, we might have gotten a ratio of 0 of 4. So you'll see 0 of 4, 1 of 4, 2 of 4, 3 of 4. Once you see 4 of 4, then you'll start getting percentages. And once again, the percentages can go all the way up to 100% for someone that is no longer blocked by neuromuscular blocking agent. So the basic advantage of this device is that it gives you objective readings. It'll give you an actual ratio or a percentage of what neuromuscular blocking agent is on board. And that's the Zavant Stimpod 450 from Bell Medical. Thank you.